foul spirits by just the voice and the revelations of your instruments as weapons of war. Are you blessed? Amen. So what is victory and worship? Warfare. We understand that victory, warfare and worship in victory. Then we understand the architecture of the principles of the Davidic Psalms, which we'll look at that. Then understanding, okay, the worship leader, the psalmist, and the minstrel. Then the fifth class, we understand the shofar, class of the shofar. The shofar is a Hebrew word for the trumpet. The shofar is a trumpet. What is the trumpet? What is God sounding as a shofar in our time? A trumpet is an instrument that announces, that declares, that creates alert. It tells us to wake up, to go to sleep, to align ourselves, to be in order, to start a procession or stop a procession. A shofar in ancient times was an instrument from the ram's horn. You used to blow it this way from a sheep, or to a ram. A ram has horns, so the horn of the ram is the shofar. When you sound the alarm, then you wake the warriors. You alert a city with a spirit sound. How can you understand the shofar and beyond the physical shofar be a spiritual shofar and release a sound? So we understand that in the class of the trumpet, the class of the shofar. What is a shofar? How many types of shofar exist? Do you know that Africa is a shofar?
Yeah.
Do you know that Capetown is a shofar? A very long time ago, a prophet in the person of evangelist Reinhard Bonnke prophesied and said there is a connection between South Africa and Nigeria. He said Nigeria, if you look at the map of Nigeria, it looks like a shofar, a short shofar, a very short ram horn. And the mouth of South Africa is Capetown.
Wow.
The
Wow.
mouth. Africa is like placed on that, which is pictorial. If Africa is placed, you can see the edge, the mouth, the tip is Capetown. And the trigger is Nigeria. Two prophets, one said Africa looks like a shofar, another said Africa looks like a gun. So if you flip Africa this way, it looks like a gun. And where the trigger is my nation, Nigeria. And where the bullet comes out is your nation, Capetown, Nigeria, South Africa. So just to demonstrate to you the symbolisms and the spiritual awareness of what is happening and what needs to happen and what has happened that needs to be interpreted. That's the class of the shofar.